And now the house lights are dimming. A hush falls over the expectorant audience as our maestro makes his way.
Perhaps it would be more intriguing if you just let them see if they can discover what it's all about.
Listen to me for just a few moments.
At this time, we would like to play a tune that was composed by my worthy constituent, Mr. Dizzy Gillespie, in the year of 1942. We sincerely hope you do enjoy Salt Peanuts.
Spread to spread here for sure. Spread it for the beat up. So the baby hope I didn't look at
Salt Peanuts, Salt Peanuts. Salt Peanuts, Salt Peanuts.
It's the chocolate covered nut. Liquid Soul Brothers, what's up? All the ladies in the house, if you're dancing, move your butt to the sound of the crunch. It's the dirty MF munch on a bag of salt peanuts for a 20 time for lunch. I really don't share, so I really don't care. If you ask me nicely, it'll get you nowhere. I only share with my nutty buddies like Arno and Belly. The rest get smashed like salt peanuts, peanut butter, and jelly. It's food for thought, I mean it's food for your belly. At least that's what they tell me. They tell me that I'm packed full of nuts like a payday. I tell them that's what make me dynamite like JJ. We can have good times. I got the last bag of salt peanuts that I could find, and they mad. I will not share. I said that before. Now bring the horns in, baby. What you looking for? And it's on the one or on the two. When I love to do the do with the salt, peanuts, yeah. Salt, peanuts. What's up?
Peanuts.
I said, excuse me, Mr. Peanut, but you really don't matter, cause my batter's fatter than platters. I mean, with my chit chatter, other nuts scatter. They don't stand around, cause I'm winning the nut party, all hands down. And now, I must proceed and go on with my salt peanuts all over this here song. But I'ma break it down so the horns can come in and put some more salt peanuts in my stomach. I'm not full from the home of the Bulls in Chi-Town, I got a lot of pull. But anyway, as I say, when it comes to my salt peas, yo, I don't play. My salt peas, you gotta get off these or are off these MCs that try to take them from me. You can't have it, silly rabbit, so don't reach out and grab it. I'ma take it and run off with my salt peas. Dag nabbit, I'm gone. Salt, peanuts. Peanuts, what's up?
Salt peanuts.
Llame al teléfono 20388 y personalmente recibirá la atención de Don Francisco Siga Martínez. Distribuidora Siga, materiales para construcción. Espera su visita.
Are you really ready for some super dynamite soul?
two of us, two of a kind, two people with the same thing on their mind.
Night comes around and turns into day. Still I hunger for your love, babe. How I wonder just how it would be to feel you lying here next to me.
Like this.
Daydreaming and I'm thinking of you. How I wonder if you can make my dreams come true. You have won my heart, my mind and my soul. I can't help it, baby. I've lost control. I want you to want me. I want you to want me.
To want me.
Just a look into my eyes and you will see that I need your love here deep inside of me. You have won my heart, my mind and my soul. I can't help it, baby. I've lost control. Running all over town, hoping that you'll come around. I know that what we had was meant for you and I. Running all over town, hoping that you'll come around. I know that what we have was meant for only you. And I want you to want me. I want you to want me.
Yeah, you know the business.
So what you want? Do you got my back, baby, or are you gonna front? Cause I've been on a hunt, or should I say a high-speed chase. I'm hungry for your love, girl, and now I need a taste. But am I in the wrong place at the wrong time? And when I get there, will there be a long line? If there is, I'll wait, cause that's the one good things come to. You gotta understand how much I want you.
I want you to
You
want
got
me.
what I want, and I got what it takes. Let's put the two together, girl, and see what we make, because
I want you to
I
want
got
me.
what you need, and you need what I got. So now I need to know if you want me or not. Come on.
The night comes around and turns into day. Still I hunger for your love, baby. How I wonder just how it would be to feel you lying here next to me. I want you to
You
want
got
me.
what I want, and you got what it takes. Let's put the two together, girl, and see what we make. Come on.
I want you to want me.
To want me.
I want you to
I got what you need, and you need what I got. So now I need to know if you want me or not. Come on.
I want you to want me.
To want me.
To want me. I want you
Oh yes. All Chicago Heights, big up yourself. Man like Cockney there just a pass through. Now forward, all Liquid Soul crew. Big up the man like Ninja Man, Fuzzy Jones and Just Ice. As we enter inside, listen this.
Get up in the morning, do your 9 to 5. Work real hard so you can't survive. Put food on the table in a crib over your head. Gotta work till the day you're dead. When you resurrect and then when you come back, gotta start all over, cause it's like that. Come on. It's the Cabbage Roll. It's the Cabbage Roll.
Trust me, I'm big tune. None could make a masterpiece. Follow the pace of the drum and bass culture like a rasta piece. The vibe kinda make you wanna get lively, you know. Rasta piece, bust a shot and cause a disaster piece.
Yeah. Talking about the green, or should I say the cabbage? Make people turn into a savage. Some people kill or steal for $1 bill. I just show my skills for real. Gotta get it together. Make that green or the cabbage roll in any weather. Get it all together and you do it every day. Get your cabbage in your pocket cause you know I don't play. Gotta make some money, honey, all the time. Gotta make some money when I kick my rhyme. Gotta make some money when I'm in my sleep. Gotta make some money cause this shit is getting deep. Gotta get paid every day and every night. That's why I do my thing and I keep my raps tight. Gotta keep my raps tight or I'm a picture bitch. Cause I gotta make some money like my man Richie Rich. Or should I say I'm making money like Donald Trump? By making you do the bump, making you jump. I'm making you move and groove to the sound. As I make that money just go right down my pocket. You can't block it cause it keep on going. Cash keep flowing, keep making dough. Keep my money trees growing. Gotta get paid, keep my cabbage rolling. It's the cabbage roll. I'm trying to get the cabbage roll. It's the cabbage roll. Yeah, it's called the cabbage roll.
Is that the common denominator, the rhythm? I mean, is that the thing that has threaded us together?
I believe it. I believe.
Because you have Guajira's,
That's the foundation. If you don't have the foundation, you can never build anything.
If you ain't got no rhythm, you ain't got no time. If
You
ain't
have
got
nothing.
No time, you ain't got nothing.
You know what I mean?
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? From the front to the back, if you ain't wet, make some noise!
do right here is go back. Way back. Back into time. When the only people that existed were troglodytes. Cavemen. Cave women. Neanderthal. Troglodytes.
You guys sound beautiful. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to get back in the groove again. We're going to turn y'all loose. We're going to keep the thing rolling a little while. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to get back in the groove again. I think we're gonna get back in the groove again. Groove again. In the groove again. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna get back in the groove again. Groove again. In the groove again.
Tell you that some of the music we play is really not geared for your bumping enjoyment. It's geared for you to think. So for those of you who don't think too much, I'm just telling you about that shit before we drop it on you.
You can take any parts of that you want.
Hello, darkness. Hello, darkness. Hello, darkness. Hello, darkness.
بعلم من تبعي وإلى روح سلسلة قاتل يا حسام.
Oh yeah!